I'm Joseph from MakeBestChoice.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another review. Today we are going to review PointRank 2.0. Now what is PointRank version 2.0? Now in short, it is an SEO ranking engine, an all-in-one software that will create a video, rank it and make the ranking stick long term. I repeat, long term. And how does it do it? Now actually, when you go live, search engines like YouTube and Google will always put you higher in rankings, and there will be an inflow of traffic. But once the live event ends, you tend to lose that ranking. With PointRank 2.0, you can schedule a live event for say 20 days in advance. So for 20 days, Google, YouTube keeps your video ranked at the top, and you enjoy free traffic and collect leads with built-in autoresponder. But the actual magic starts after 20 days are over. PointRank will automatically make your video unique and start a new live event every time you lose your rankings. So keep getting traffic and leads again and again. Now no one has done it like PointRank before. You just set up an automation live event for months in just 2 minutes and keep enjoying free, fast and highly targeted traffic. How does it work? It works in 4 simple steps. First is leverage. That means you enter a keyword and leverage ranking data from $1 million videos. Step 2 is generate. Upload or find videos in seconds and add your own branding details and links. Step number 3 is rank the video using automated live event submission technology. And number 4 is long term. Get long term rankings with the push technology and enjoy free traffic. What are the new features of PointRank 2.0? Of course, when the version is 2.0, that means there was a version 1.0, PointRank version 1. So the updated version has the updated as per the latest and most up-to-date Google and YouTube algorithm requirements. Now since over time, Google and YouTube keep changing their algorithm, so the previous technology, the sticky ranking technology in version 1 has become obsolete. So they have introduced the push technology in version 2.0 that keeps the ranking up even after they go off live. And third is the lead collection, nurturing and follow-up system for recurring income and building of a more reliable income. For this, they have introduced the social link booster, which is actually building up social backlinks. And second is the newly built autoresponder, inbuilt autoresponder with one-click FB, Facebook lead generation. Who is it for? Now, as the name suggests, SEO is required by everyone. Specifically, if you say it is for video marketers, affiliate marketers, content marketers, launch jackers, etc. But SEO is required by all who want to rank their SEO videos. Now, if that interests you, please stay on. We will now go ahead with the demo. Our partner Yogesh will give you the demo of the software, who is the creator of the software. No one can give a better demo than him. After the demo, we come back with my bonuses, the custom bonuses that I have made specifically for PointRank 2.0, the pricing and upgrade details, the pros and cons, and finally the conclusion. Now let's jump into the demo.
Hi, welcome to the demo video of PointRank 2.0. It's a very powerful software, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an automated event in just few minutes. So let me show you how you can create an automated ranking event. First you go to automate rankings, click on video ranking wizard, enter the keyword you want to rank for, let's say Bluetooth earbuds for PS4. Now you get all the videos that are currently ranking for this keyword, and you can extract their ranking factors like title, the description, the tags. So what you can do, you can select one video or you can select more than one video that are ranking, and our software will use all these ranking factors while taking your video live. Let's say I selected these 3 videos to extract the ranking factors, click on done. Then I get all these all these details of these videos here. Now I can go and I can edit the title, I can edit the description, I can edit the tags, and add our own details here, add our own links here, remove the things that you don't want. And once you have done that, you can also add your lead generation link that will be added in the description. You can add an autoresponder. There are more than 10 autoresponders here. Okay, and the lead is added to your autoresponder, and it is also stored in our PointRank software, and you can use PointRank as well to mail to these leads. Okay, next I'm going to select on. Now I'm going to click on next, and here I'm going to edit the settings for my live events. Category I'm going to select is as people and blogs, time zone, public, YouTube privacy, and channel as this channel. And then I click on next, and here I can select the schedule date. I'm going to select it like 15 to 20 days in advance, so I can keep enjoying the traffic for these days. And the number of days between the two live events, I'm going to select it as maybe 20. And now you can select the time for the live event, and time for event 2, time for live event 3, and then you can select the channel is already there. Then you are just going to click on next, and here you are going to select the thumbnail from the thumbnail gallery. Let's say this one. Okay, this is just an example. You can select all of these, or maybe just one. Then you can select the videos, which is already in the video gallery. And once you have done that, you can select social media accounts that will be used to post the links of these live events, so you get extra link juice and also traffic from these social media networks. And once that is done, you just click on submit, and once you submit that, you will get all your event list in this section. And once that is done, you will get all the events scheduled in this section. So that is all. Thank you so much for watching the video. Go and click the cool looking buy button and get in, and I'll see you inside. Thank you so much.
Welcome back. I believe that you have liked the demo. If you like the software and want to purchase the software, I have given a link in the video description below. You click on that link and you will come to this page, which is my bonuses page. I have specially made some custom bonuses, and there are some special Xmas bonuses also. So these bonuses are specially designed to work with PointRank 2.0. I have handpicked these bonuses so that they may go hand in hand with the software and can give you the best results. So when you come to this page, which is my bonuses page, clicking on the link given in the video description below, you will find the full review over here with my review video, with the full review in writing, the pros and cons, the conclusion. This is a demo of the software which you can go through, and these are the bonuses that I have for you today if you buy through my link. Now before going ahead and explaining the bonuses, I would like to draw your attention to these red buttons. If you click one of these red buttons, which is there on your screen, click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. You will be redirected to the sales page. The sales page of PointRank 2.0 will look something like this, and it contains the full testimonials, the proofs, the income proofs, all the details of the software, and it's very well done, because you'll see that these are the testimonials that some of the affiliate marketers have given. Jay Sharma, 7-figure marketer, top vendor, what he has said about the software, what are the results by partners, by real people. You can see their video testimonials, you can see the income proofs, the proof of the traffic that has been brought by this software, and it will give you all the details of the software. Now in this now in this sales page, you need to click one of these red buttons. By clicking one of these red buttons, you will be taken to the purchase page, and there you have to make your payment and purchase the product. So once you have purchased the product, you will be redirected to the JVZoo portal, where you need to access the software. You'll get the URL like this. You have to click on this blue button to access the software, and underneath there will be another blue button which is on your screen, where you have to click to access my bonuses. So if you want to avail my bonuses, you need to buy through this link or click on one of these red buttons and then go ahead with the purchase, or else you will not get my bonuses. And you have to do that within a time period of 5 days 16 hours as of now, because this countdown timer, when it hits 0, then the prices will go up drastically. So you need to hurry up. I have given a diagrammatic representation of the whole process over here, how to avail my bonuses, how to purchase and then avail my bonuses. So I hope this is clear. Going ahead with my bonuses, the first bonus is a bonus tutorial, the Fugo multiplier. Actually, it is a tutorial, plus it also helps you, walks through certain ads and campaigns that will help you to multiply your income, multiply your online income. It is a tutorial plus also a walkthrough done for you campaigns. It is called the Fugo multiplier. And how does it help with Point Rank 2? Actually, it will help you to get traffic. I have given you lots of traffic bonuses over here, like Fugo multiplier, which is a product from two top affiliate marketers at present, Brendan Mace and Juno Armstrong. I have given you another bonus tutorial which is custom made for Point Rank 2, which is Fugo Breakout. Fugo Breakout is actually a tutorial how to get more traffic, and it will just increase your traffic drastically. So this is a tutorial by Juno Armstrong, the famous internet marketer. Number 3 is the bonus tutorial by Juno Armstrong once again. It's a Bing Ads course. This is also a traffic tutorial because Bing is a traffic source which is still not yet explored much. And so I believe that this will help you a lot to get traffic, because Bing, this traffic needs to be explored, and if you can do it in the early stages, you can get the maximum out of it. My fourth bonus is a bonus tutorial. This is a tutorial by me which I have done on autoresponder and 5 secret traffic sources. Some are free and some are not free, but very authenticate traffic sources which you can use to enhance your business. I hope you will like this. Most of my bonuses are directed towards getting more traffic. And the fifth bonus is a combination of 12 tutorials or apps, whatever you can say. I'll show it to you from the vendor, which you will get only if you buy through my link. It consists of 12 apps which you can use to enhance your business, and it will help very much with Point Rank, because I'll show it to you. Now when you click on the link, you will come to this page. These are the 12 bonuses that you will get. The video ranking domination. Now since we are dealing with YouTube, we need to deal with videos. So fast action bonuses. Discover how to take advantage of video marketing can completely alter the course of your business, and this will go hand in hand with the Point Rank 2.0. SEO keyword mastery. This has to be there because Point Rank 2.0 is a SEO tool designed for marketers, video marketers especially. Bonus number 3 is YouTube authority. Now this is very important. YouTube authority gives you the insight how to increase your YouTube channel authority so that your videos rank higher. This will help you a lot. The fourth bonus is the video marketing profit kit. With this course, discover how the video marketing to build a thriving online business. This will give you the tips of video marketing. Fifth is Extreme List Bundle plugin. Sixth is the modern blogging, video blogging, what you call. The seventh is the virtual summit secrets. A virtual summit is an online conference that allows attendees from around the world to watch and learn from a live event, a webinar sort of thing. How to conduct a webinar. These are great tools that will go hand in hand with Point Rank 2.0. Number 8 is Facebook Messenger marketing. Again, Facebook integration is there in Point Rank 2.0, so this is important. Number 9 is the 25 royalty-free music loops. Number 10 is a case study of how to make $10,000+ with ClickFunnels without promoting it directly. Number 11 is Backlinks Warrior software. Backlinks is again a software tool, how to create backlinks so that your videos rank higher. And lastly, it is the WP YouTube Leads. With this plugin, you can enhance the user engagement of your YouTube videos. I believe that this will be a great offer along with the PointRank, and I hope you do not miss all these bonuses. Now moving ahead with the price plan and upgrade details. Now the front end of the product comes at a price of $37 to $47, and the commercial license is included with it. And these are the things which you'll get. You can create single live events, create automation live events, add multiple YouTube accounts, find and extract key ranking factors from top videos, upload a preloaded record video. Everything is in front of you. Plus you will get the new features that are there in version 2.0. That means the social link booster, which will boost your ranking automatically by using backlinks, which indexes your site, videos and links faster on search engines, giving you better rankings faster. Plus you will get a built-in autoresponder with one-click FB lead generation. Now this will create unlimited money minting campaigns. You can collect unlimited real leads from Facebook. So this will allow you to get leads. When they click on your link, it will be directed to a page you want, where you can make them enter email address, and then your leads will increase. So this is really a good front-end deal. Now going ahead with the upgrades, the upgrade number 1 is an unlimited upgrade, you can say. It comes at it is a PointRank Pro version. It comes at a price of $67, and with that you get unlimited YouTube accounts, unlimited live events, unlimited social media accounts, and it gives you a full flexibility. And plus you get done for you promo campaigns to use with your autoresponder. Upgrade number 2 is the PointRank Local, which comes at a one-time cost of $47, and generate it lands high-paying local clients and gets them page number 1 ranking for multiple keywords in minutes. So it will help you get local clients and help them to get page ranking. With upgrade number 3, with the agency license, it comes at a price of $197 to $297. It gives you 50 to 200 sub accounts for users, where users can access, and it comes with a fully designed SEO ready website. Now all of the above prices, let me remind you that all of the above prices are limited promotional offers, and once this promotion time ends, that is on the 25th of December, 23:59 hours EST, after that the prices will rise drastically. So hurry up. A little word on the upsells. According to me, the front end of the software is feature rich and well balanced. If you just want to test the software and add it to my custom bonuses, which are plenty of bonuses as you saw, it simply just gives you the platform to check the software well, if it will work for you or not, and then you can go for the upgrades as per your requirement. However, if you're convinced from the beginning, and you have already since PointRank 1.0 was there and you have some experience of it, then you can directly jump in with the front end plus upgrade number 1, which I would recommend, and that would be the best combination, I believe, along with my bonuses. And with the 30-day money back guarantee, I think it gives you an ample time to check the software and decide or take your action. Now going ahead with the pros and cons of the software, well, I could find quite a number of pros with the software. It is a cloud-based software, easy to use, newbie friendly. Now generally search engine optimization is something a bit complicated, and generally it's not a newbie friendly affair. But with the 4-step implementation, as we saw before, 4-step implementation of the software, PointRank 2.0 has made it very simple for newbies also. It is already proven with version 1.0. So with the push tech and the new features like social links, booster and inbuilt autoresponder, this is really a thing to watch out for. With the one-click FB lead generation, which will help you to get leads from Facebook, and this will make the software more robust. So it not only ranks you at the top of the search engines, but also gives you leads, and also you can mail them different offers to your clients. It is a cheap one-time cost, no recurring fees as compared to any other SEO services or platforms such as Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork. Let me show you. I have done a small research with Fiverr. I have searched with SEO service, and after I searched, click on search, and you'll see the prices, the good gigs that are there with 1K orders, $335, $195, $595. So if you and you can see the list. And if you really want a good search engine optimization, you need to spend that much. Whereas compared to that, this spend is very, very less. That's why I've said cheap and one-time cost and no recurring fees. There, with every ranking, you have to pay recurring fees to those third-party. Cons, I think that the front end costs a little on the higher side, but who cares if you are making profit? If you are getting the leads, that suffices for it, I believe. Now, as a conclusion, according to me, I would like to say that it is no brainer that without search engine optimization, it is tough to get videos or your site even in the top ranking of Google. So in today's world, SEO is a must. If you even have the best of videos, but if you don't rank in the YouTube or Google page 1, your videos won't be viewed and it will become useless, in one word. So if you are unhappy with your current SEO techniques and you are not getting the desired results you are looking for, or it's getting too expensive, as I was showing you on Fiverr, then Point Ranking 2.0 is a must-have, I believe. And with the 30-day money-back guarantee, it becomes a totally risk-free investment, as you will get ample time to test it simultaneously with your current SEO and then take your decision. So good luck. That brings us to the end of this review. If you like the software and want to purchase the software, please click on the link given in the video description below. As I said, it will bring you to this bonus page where you have to click one of these red buttons. As I'm pointing out, click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, which will take you to the sales page. And from the sales page, you go ahead to make your payment and purchase the software, as I've shown you the process before, and then collect all the bonuses that I've offered. If you like this review, please do give your comments, your feedback in the comment section below. I would love to see your feedback. And if you like the videos, please do not hesitate to click the like button, to share it with your near and dear ones. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon, so that when I come up with more videos like this, you may be informed. So that's it for today. Bye for now. Take care.